Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Grace and I'm back again with another video. This sounds so weird, just sitting outside and talking to myself, claiming that I'm talking to people, but I know that I'm talking to people, even if it's like 10 of you, actually 700 of you. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I've been so bad, but thank you guys for not wow. Thank you guys for not unsubscribing. Is that a word? I don't know. But you guys, I'm back. And I thought when I got back to YouTube, I would come back with like a really cool video, me doing something extraordinary, but no. Today I'm going on a hike. Yeah, with Ty. And we're hiking to a waterfall. And this is very like in the moment because I did not plan to make this vlog, but it's like what better timing? I might as well just start right now. It doesn't have to be like extraordinary or super fun. I want to be consistent from now till December. I want to watch my channel grow, and that's what I'm gonna do because your girl is now jobless. There's so much to tell you guys, like so much, and I'm going to tell you guys all of it. I'm gonna give you guys all the tea because I don't suffer, I don't be small, but it's okay. And then again, I'm moving and you guys are gonna be moving with me. You guys just come back and stay with me. Let's grow together. Well, I'm waiting for Ty to come pick me up and we'll go on this hike. So I'm going outside right now. Yeah, and then Ty says I don't talk as much as I should on my YouTube videos, so I'm trying to change that too, or have him do the talking for me because I really don't like to talk like that. I mean, I do. Here comes Ty. I've been waiting for him for a second. This is cool. It's called a razor.
Your chariot has arrived. Alright, let's get it. Should we try to find that, what's something that we could use to just have it film the entire drive? Or are you just gonna do it? Orange Fanta?
Fanta.
And then can I also get a chicken supreme sandwich?
Just a sandwich?
Just a sandwich?
Okay.
Ice cream?
No shake.
You want a shake, huh?
Yeah.
What kind?
Strawberry or vanilla? I'm not
Can we
sure.
get
God forbid. I will not die in Jesus' name. Woo! Say what's up?
Hello.
It's so pretty. Okay, we gotta go now. Because that's what we're going to be doing in the car. Okay, let's go. So hey guys, we are supposed to be going on a hike, but look how dark it is over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like it's gonna rain, but we're still going. And there's the razor, and there's Ty trying to carve our initials on a tree. It's kind of cute actually. But anyways, you guys. Oh, so cute.
That's so dangerous. No, we're good. All right, guys, so we made it to the Stewart Falls trailhead. Got Gracie Lou. Bam! It's beautiful.
It is
Beautiful.
very, very
About to hike up to a
cold.
waterfall. And yeah, give you some good footage on the way.
There's some people doing bridal pictures over there.
Yeah, bridal pictures galore. This is a Utah thing. Okay. Probably, I don't know, more weddings per capita than anywhere, I'd say, at any moment in time.
Yep, they get married in college at like 18. Just so they can fuck. Yeah.
Mostly. High divorce rate because of that, too.
They're saving their glory hole so they're ready for marriage.
They also do this thing.
Hi.
Give us an update, Grace.
Tired.
That's it?
Yeah, not tired, more bored. That's why I don't hike, because it's boring. We've just been walking for, I don't know how
15
long
minutes,
now.
maybe?
It's really boring, guys. Very, very boring.
Wow.
To be with Sister Parker?
Damn. Look at that rooftop.
Just imagine that being your house. It's not gonna happen, but imagine it.
Jeremy? Jeremy?
So this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I know I've been really bad, and I'm sure I'm going to have to try to build my engagement back up, but please stay with me. I'm back and I'm gonna be consistent, I promise. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1K subs. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Ooh, bye.